थैंक यू, आपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया। हमें भी थोड़ी ग्राउंड रियलिटी पता चली कि एक्चुअली में मतलब हमने पढ़ा है पर इतना अच्छे से नहीं पता था कि टाउन में वेज लेबरर्स एंड जिस तरह की डिफिकल्टीज ऑन ग्राउंड है। एंड हम श्योरली ट्राई करेंगे अपने अपने एरिया में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, और इसी तरह से आप लोगों से जब जो भी फील्ड में जहाँ पोस्ट होंगे जब जाएंगे और इंटरेक्शन से और चीज़ें पता चलेंगी। तो थैंक यू फॉर दिस। थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you. So we have voters. So Hira is a community. Mostly the Hira community, they produce the art, cups. But their problem is that the plastic has actually come as a hindrance. Plastic products has disturbed their challenge their livelihood. So it is also there again an appeal to you all to ensure that plastic is already banned but not implemented. He believes that only administrative professors like you can truly, wherever you serve, truly can ban plastic items, totally ban items, and help them to grow. And another difficulty he has elaborated is that the land, the things, the material, they are getting from another place, Titilia, because of land encroachment. Their lands have been encroached. So they have to get their lands from outside, a place from Titilia. It's hard to carry to their village. So the production costs also become increasing. So it has to be encroached, the land encroachment for those who are encroaching their lands, especially for the quotas, that should be stopped. So we'd like to react.
So for the first part of the question, that is about the ban on plastic. So I can assure you, when we'll be on the field, then we'll try to actually take the steps. I can assure you because I earlier worked as Commissioner of Municipality in Pondicherry. There in my area, I completely banned the plastic. Even I formed village level committees and the district level committees, where every week I used to monitor them. Even I myself participated in many rallies, and in those rallies, I tried to aware people about the harmful impacts of plastic. Also, what we tried to achieve was like GVM, there were many clubs there, Lions Club was there, Rotary Club was there. So we took help of those clubs, those NGOs, and with the help of those NGOs, we tried to push in like cloth bag. Like I was really happy to receive this cloth bag. So these kind of cloth bags, we tied up with the SSG group, and with the help of those SSG groups, we fixed a particular cost. And with the funding from Rotary Club and Lions Club there, we tried to give it to the people freely. So such kind of initiatives we undertook, because of which we were able to reduce it to a certain extent. So I think if when we'll be in the field, we'll try to definitely do such kind of things, and we'll try to reduce the use of plastics, especially the single-use plastic. The second part of the question, that is about the land encroachment. I think it's about the implementation of the laws. Those are particularly in place. So I can assure you that when we'll be in field, then we'll definitely implement those laws, and we'll try to protect the interests of the people.
So Goel Sare koise je tekete itimodhye as a training officer hisabot Pondicherry Municipal Corporation chairman kaam korise. Already tekete kaam korise, aru jitu area municipal tekete kaam korise chairman tate সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে বন্ধ কৰি দিছে. It's a great step. Ata হাততালি বুজাইছো. So thankful to you. আপুনি যেটো প্ৰশ্ন কৰিছিল যে এটো ব্যান কৰি দিব লাগে, tekete join কৰিলে. Now they are in training period. Tekete training period আছে. কিন্তু কিছুমানত কাম কৰি আছে তেখেতসকলে পণ্ডিচেৰী তেখেতে এই অঞ্চলত সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে বন্ধ কৰি দিছে, আৰু বেগৰ কাৰণে বিভিন্ন এনজিঅ'ৰ সহায় লৈছে। লায়ন্স ক্লাব, ৰটাৰী ক্লাবৰ সহায় লৈ তাৰ দাম নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰি বেগ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে বাধ্যতামূলক কৰি দিছে। So as you said, we have great expectations on it, আৰু এইটোৱে আশা আপোনালোকৰ। Once again, a big round of applause for they are already committed to the cause of the nation. আৰু আপোনালোকৰ কিবা ক'ব? Fishermen, our Masmoria Living they are fishermen.
Namaskar, মোৰ নাম শ্ৰী খুবেশ্বৰ নমসূদ্ৰ, মোৰ ঘৰ বৰফিমল। কথা হ'ল স্বাধীনতাৰ আগৰে পৰা বৰফিমল গাঁৱৰ সমাজত এখন বিল আছিল। সময়ৰ গতিত এই বিলখন বৰ্তমান বাম হৈ গৈছে, আৰু ওচৰ কাষত থকা যিবিলাক মানুহ আছিল সেইবিলাক মাছ মাৰাৰ পৰা এতিয়া বৰ্তমান বিৰত আছে। প্ৰথম কথা হ'ল এতিয়া এই মানে পানীৰ অভাৱ পালে যিটো বিলখন পোষ খাই গৈছে গতিকে তাতে মাছৰ অসুবিধা হৈছে থকাৰ অসুবিধা কাৰণে মাছ তাতে নাপালি এতিয়া কৰ্মস্থানৰ সূত্ৰে মানুহবিলাক তাৰ পৰা অন্য ঠাইলৈ স্থানান্তৰিত হৈছে